So guys, it's overcast now. Last night, I realized after recording this entire process, I've lost all the footage up until now. All the footage, guys, as I've been constructing this thing for the last couple days. And it just sucks because I want to show you guys how I constructed this from scratch. Wasn't nothing here. We bought this. It's a guy makes custom chicken coops. And he made this specifically for us. It's pretty good construction. And we didn't have a run, so I decided to construct us a really nice run. 12 by 8. So we got plenty of room. It's about 6 feet high, 6 feet tall. But I recorded so much footage with this, guys. And a lot of this wood is scrap wood I had laying around that I kind of made work. Save us some money. A lot of wood that I have from doing the privacy fence around here. And that video on the channel as well. But yeah, all the footage gone, guys. So I'll just start recording from here on out. All the footage. I've lost a few videos. I lost a video I did a couple how-tos on my truck. I lost everything, and now I just gotta give me a new computer. It should be here in a couple days, but yeah, this is the Coop we got. We got custom builds. I think I got video of us bringing it in, so I'll add it to this. If I do, I'll add it in right now. I got a video of us. So we have to drive about 100 miles to go pick it up. And buddy, pretty decent size. And we'll go out there making them. So this is the nesting box. You have to take it off, otherwise it won't fit on the trailer. This right here. Buddy, a decent size. Picking this thing up, I think, and we have to go drive about 2 hours to pick it up. Hour and a half. Go get it, and we use my trailer. But yeah, got some windows. But I decided to build a nice run, guys. I had all the footage. Just was a fun watch. Wasn't a how-to. Just was a fun build. So now I'm adding the rest of the hardwood cloth. Kind of digging me out a trench so I can bury it. Just cut a piece. Right now, I'm gonna add this section on. There's my door. Gotta get some more staples here. I'm using some vintage stapler guns. Vintage staple guns. Show you guys how I did it over here as well. A lot of staples everywhere. I've probably used about 3,000 staples already. But yeah, just a fun construction to get us something back here for the chickens. So gonna add this piece right now. Show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Gotta dig the trench a little bit deeper using that pickaxe. And here go one of the vintage staplers I'm using. Old staple gun, working super good. Show you guys the staples I'm using. And my other staple gun is somewhere else. So let me add that piece of hardwood cloth on, and I'll be back and try to finish this thing up. Okay guys, this section is done. Buried the hard cloth went off maybe about a foot out this way. I got it down as deep as I can. There's trees all around here, so there's roots. Not worried about anything getting under there. Yeah, but we're good. Now it's time for the door section, and then this section. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do for the door. I got stakes Got these long stakes I'm gonna put in the doorway. Not worry about anything getting under there. But yeah, then this section. So let me get the door staked out. Show you I got these 1-inch stakes. Gonna make me like some bars. Gonna drill me a hole. Then I'm gonna screw them in. I got them anchoring down the entire thing anyway. I got one on each anchor. Got hit by a stump there, but yeah, they all around anchoring this thing down. So let me get this did and I'll show you. I got them anchored about 2 inches apart, maybe 3 inches apart, which is perfect. Okay, I sunk them in so they're flush with the surface. All right, we're moving along to this now. Okay guys, we're gonna bury this now. Got us a little ditch there. We're gonna pile all this dirt and sand back over it. I'm probably gonna get some black mulch to make it aesthetically look good. So let me do this right now. Push all this down and go to the front next. Okay guys, here we are. Boys are playing in there already. So this area is saturated with trees, so these roots run all the way under all these trees around here. So these roots run all under this surface. This as far as I can get. I got it underneath it. We're down in there. Got a nice little trench, but the rest is roots. I have to even cut some of them out of there. Not worry about anything digging under there. But we're stapled, 1,000,000 staples. I had a different design for this. That's why these boards are in this direction opposed to this direction, because I could have put them all in that direction all the way around and have more surface to nail on, but this is perfect. I overlaid the cloth almost a foot all the way around, and they're stapled pretty good. 1,000,000 staples. I bought 5,000 staples and I'm through with over half the box so far. I also used galvanized nails, some 3-inch nails, nail gun, and a lot of these screws. These are 3-inch screws. Yeah, these don't rust. You can leave them out here forever. They won't never rust, or the nails I bought. So looking good. Looking good. Gonna finish this front section up. Lay some bricks. I got 1,000,000 bricks. So I'm stacked up. I got thousands of bricks over here for different projects. So, gonna finish this up and I'll be back. All right. So I'm gonna get some black mulch for aesthetic purposes to make this look really nice all the way around, to make the finished product look good, look decent. This is, if I didn't say it, this is 12 by 8. So 12 foot long by 8. 6 foot tall. My door. All right, about to go back up the door. Get some more bolts for that. done. I'm buy some mulch to finish this side off. I gotta put some hardwood cloth over this window, and that'll be it. But we're buried. All right, just a little decent little run for right now. Just for right now. We'll be probably moving soon, but this is gonna carry us until we move. Then I'll build something much bigger and incredible. But this is for now. So pop this door on, go grab some mulch from Home Depot, and that'll be it. We'll be all good. Looks good though. Okay guys, done. Just put the door back on, hinges on. Has this little handle. These are all stuff, this is stuff I already had, guys. But it works. So, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little short video. Would have been much longer. I'm done. This is it right now. A little decent little run. Perfect. It's decent. Going to buy some mulch right now. And make this thing look really nice aesthetically. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, guys, if you found this video entertaining, or if you like the content I'm producing. Got a bunch of how-tos coming up that I got to re-record but it's okay, and some new ones and some fun stuff. So once again, subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys found this video entertaining. Hit the notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload new content. Terrence, I'm out.